Hey guys, take it back with me. Today's video, I'm gonna unbox my case for my iPhone 8. Here it is. And in my last video, I unboxed the iPhone 8. My original iPhone was the silver one, but I got a black one because the first one it died at 37%, and then it didn't turn on. I tried to charge it and turn on, so I replaced to a black one. But today's video, I'm gonna unbox my case. Let's right into this unboxing. They're open. Here's my case. Obviously, it's a Lakers case because I'm a Lakers fan. Let's get into this unboxing. Go check out my Fortnite video. I'm gonna start doing some Fortnite videos and some 2K and some other games you guys want to see me to play. Drop a like on this video. Let's get like 3 likes. I will do some other games to play instead of NBA 2K. So I'm trying to open this. It's not like a plastic. The place I got it is on Amazon, so it's going to take a while to open it. So I'm going to open it and get like Hey guys, I just need to like see where's the Alright guys, just turn it on to open. Here you go. It's a case. Honestly, the case, since the front of it, see through it, and the protector, and the screen protectors for my phone, because it came with. I'll put links in the description below if you guys want to buy a case like this. If you're like Lakers fan like me, put in the links in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And it came with a case and a screen protector. So yeah, and I'll unbox the screen protectors. I don't open it yet. I'm gonna put my case on the phone so you guys see. Here it is. How it looks like. The sides. You'll see it, and it's back. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Smash the like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna record some Fortnite, maybe. Peace out.